Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a clean car is essential. Join us as we explore the top contenders for the title of the best car vacuum cleaner, your ultimate companion in keeping your ride spotless and comfortable. Let's dive in. Number 1. This Works Car Vacuum. This sleek powerhouse effortlessly banishes crumbs, dust, and debris, leaving your ride spotless in minutes. Its compact design doesn't compromise on suction power, making it the perfect on-the-go companion for any road trip. The ergonomic handle and versatile attachments ensure every nook and cranny gets the VIP treatment. The transparent trash container lets you marvel at the dirt it tackles, while the easy-to-clean filter keeps performance at its peak. Say goodbye to messy car interiors. This Works brings the wow factor to car cleaning, making every drive a pristine pleasure. Number 2. Black Plus Decker Car Vacuum, a powerhouse for your vehicle. Automobile sparkles. This sleek, compact marvel isn't just a vacuum, it's a game changer for car cleanliness. With robust suction and a nozzle designed for those hard-to-reach spots, say goodbye to crumbs and dust. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making car cleaning a breeze. Its cordless feature adds an extra layer of convenience, giving you the freedom to tidy up without constraints. From unexpected spills to stubborn pet hair, this Black Plus Decker gem transforms your car into a spotless sanctuary. Embrace the future of hassle-free car care. Number 3. K&M Car Vacuum, a game changer for every car enthusiast. This sleek, compact powerhouse effortlessly tackles crumbs, dust, and pet hair, leaving your ride spotless. The 120W motor delivers powerful suction, ensuring no mess is too stubborn. With its versatile attachments, reaching every nook and cranny is a breeze. The LED light adds a cool touch, making late-night cleanups a cinch. Compact, lightweight, and boasting a user-friendly design, this vacuum is a must-have for car owners who crave a pristine interior. Elevate your car cleaning game with the K&M Car Vacuum, precision cleaning at your fingertips. Number 4. Vac Life, the game changer for car enthusiasts. This sleek vacuum is a turbocharged beast, devouring crumbs, pet hair, and dust with ruthless efficiency. Its compact design makes it the perfect car companion, effortlessly reaching every nook and cranny. The suction power is nothing short of astonishing, leaving your car interiors spotless. The detachable and washable HEPA filter ensures a breath of fresh air after every use. Vac Life doesn't just clean, it transforms your car into a showroom-worthy masterpiece. Upgrade your ride with Vac Life, the unsung hero your car deserves. Number 5. Bleston Car Vacuum, a game changer for car enthusiasts. This sleek powerhouse effortlessly banishes every crumb, dust particle, and pet hair, leaving your ride spotless. Its compact design and powerful suction make it a must-have for on-the-go cleaning. The LED lights illuminate every nook and cranny, ensuring a thorough clean, even in the darkest corners. With its easy-to-empty dustbin and versatile attachments, the Bleston Car Vacuum is a car detailing dream. Say goodbye to mess and hello to perfection, redefine your car cleaning routine with Bleston. In conclusion, finding the best car vacuum cleaner can make a significant difference in maintaining a clean and comfortable vehicle interior. Whether it's tackling pet hair, crumbs, or dust, the right vacuum can simplify the task. We've explored top options in this video. Thanks for watching, and may your car cleaning endeavors be efficient and hassle-free.